AI and agriculture: how intelligent farming will feed the world. Feeding billions against climate pressure is the defining production challenge of our era. AI is turning agriculture from seasonal guesswork into continuous optimization, plant by plant, herd by herd, shipment by shipment. Precision farming leads the way. Satellites, drones, and ground sensors map moisture, nutrients, canopy temperature, and pest pressure. Models generate variable rate prescriptions so tractors apply water, seed, and fertilizer only where needed. Yields rise while runoff and input costs fall. With digital twins of fields, farmers test scenarios, planting dates, hybrids, rotations before committing a single seed. Autonomous machinery works around the clock. Self-driving tractors till, seed, and spray with centimeter accuracy. Robotic weeders target plants individually, reducing herbicides. Harvesters pick fruit at peak ripeness with fewer bruises. Smart irrigation meters flow to roots, not air, guided by soil and weather forecasts to stretch every liter of water. Crop health monitoring becomes proactive. Multispectral imagery sees stress before the human eye can. AI flags disease outbreaks early so interventions are small, timely, and localized. Beneficial insects and biological controls can be deployed precisely, supporting integrated pest management and reducing chemical load. Breeding accelerates with data. Genomic prediction and AI-guided selection shorten cycles to produce varieties tolerant to heat, drought, and salinity while maintaining taste and nutrition. For staple crops, this resilience is existential, keeping yields stable as weather swings grow sharper. Vertical and controlled environment farms expand access. Indoors, AI tunes light spectra, nutrients, and airflow for each crop stage. Leafy greens and herbs flourish near cities using a fraction of land and water, free from pesticides and weather risk. While not a replacement for broadacre farming, these facilities add redundancy and freshness to urban food systems. Livestock gets smarter and kinder. Wearables and computer vision track activity, temperature, and feeding, catching illness early and reducing antibiotic use. Diets are optimized for health and lower methane emissions. Automated milking and bedding systems improve welfare and consistency. Supply chains tighten. From bin to boat to shelf, sensors track temperature and humidity. AI routes shipments to where demand is rising. Retailers order against real-time data to cut waste. Provenance systems trace produce back to the plot, aiding recalls and building consumer trust. Sustainability becomes measurable. Models help plan rotations that rebuild soil carbon and reduce pests naturally. Farmers receive credits for practices that sequester carbon or protect watersheds, verified by remote sensing and on-farm data. The next green revolution is data-driven and regenerative. Barriers remain. Smallholders need affordable tools, connectivity, and training. Data ownership and revenue sharing must be fair. Rural power and broadband are prerequisites. And as automation expands, communities will need pathways to new forms of agricultural work, technicians, analysts, and service entrepreneurs. Even so, the trajectory is hopeful: more food with fewer inputs, less waste, and lighter footprints. The goal isn't to replace farmers, it's to equip them. When wisdom born of seasons meets models trained on billions of data points, fields become more resilient, barns more humane, and plates more reliably full.